A new warning is coming out of Tehran, and this time, Iran is putting the spotlight on weapons that it says can blind the United States and Israeli warships. Can you picture this for a second? A secure military hall, cameras rolling, top commentators watching carefully, and in the center, a mysterious box shaped weapon covered in antennas and cables. This is Sayyad 4, Iran's newest tool for electronic warfare, and Tehran claims that it can take on American bombers and Israeli F 35 jets. Here, Iran says that we can disturb your aircrafts. That's right, in a dramatic revelation, and that too on state TV. Iran didn't show the real system, only a replica. Why? Because they said that the real one is too sensitive to display. According to Iranian media, Sayyad 4 can interfere with satellite signals, enemy navigation system, positioning network used by fighter jets and bombers. Basically, in simple words, it can confuse hostile airplanes, even the most advanced ones. Built by women scientists, that's the flashpoint here, one of the most striking revelations. Iran says that the system was designed and developed entirely by female defense scientists. Photos showed senior officials, including Defense Minister General Aziz, touring an exhibition dedicated to women-led innovations in radar, drones, and electronic warfare. Here, Tehran wanted the world to notice this message. Our women are building weapons that can challenge superpowers. But why now? Why the system? Well, the timing, it is not accidental, of course. Tensions with the US, they are rising every single day. Israel is on high alert. Iranian commanders are speaking only about new preparations for wider conflict. The Sayyad 4 unveiling is part of that narrative, basically a visual announcement that Iran is upgrading its battlefield technology faster than ever. And the claim that it can target US bombers and Israeli stealth jets just to meant grab attention. And it kinda has. Here is a clear message to Washington and Tel Aviv. Iran wants everybody, specifically the US, to understand just one thing. We are ready, we are innovating, and we are not afraid. Whether Sayyad 4 can truly blind an F 35 is something only a real conflict can actually prove, but the message, well, that is already loud and unmistakable.